Hi, my name is Arnest, and today I want to show you the 4 ways on how to earn money and make more money on Moshop. This application is going to give you authentic lower price and a guarantee when it comes to purchasing and doing your business and partnering with them and start making money online. Besides browsing and sharing and earning money, this platform is going to give you a business where you're going to start an online business with zero investment. Using our products that you can see here today, you can make money from all these products, and there are only 4 important ways. Stay here. At the end of this video, I'll surprise you on why you need to invite your friends and share out all these images and share out and start marketing digitally. Now, let's jump in to the video. You are required to share all these images and quote your own price and receive more money by getting a direct commission of 29 shillings, like on this small fashion chain Rhombus large capacity shoulder bag. With 29 shillings you can get that, or you can share it out and get commissions, as I'm going to share with you these 4 methods on how to get your commissions lively here right away. Right, have you subscribed? Then this is for you. If you are the first time, you are most welcome, and this is a platform where you're making money online. It's genuine, it's authentic, and free of charge. So stay here, make sure you subscribe, because if you subscribe you'll get more. I assure you're going to get more. So there are only 4 ways. All right, there are only 4 ways. Let's go to our commission tab and I will show you this. The first way of you to earn money is to use the task bonus and commission. Task bonus and commissions. Now, where do you find the task bonus and commission? On this platform here. The one you see here is the task bonus that I want you to do today after downloading from the link in the description. From the link that I'm going to share, make sure you click it and download it. Then this is the task bonus and commission. Now when you complete these tasks, you'll get commission. How? Moshop provides a task center where you can do the promotion task and earn bonus. Just a click, you can earn up to 10 shillings. If you invite your friends, you'll also earn a referral commission of 40% of what your friends will earn. So, in the first place, first of all, you must share all this on WhatsApp 1, WhatsApp 2. Mine is completed, don't worry, yours will be active. Then you'll share 3, you share 4, and then share on Facebook and on Instagram. At the same time, remember, when you are on this platform, there is some icons down here where you can copy the link and even share on different blog. You can put on your blog, you can write a blog post and post there. You can share, you can do writing, ghost writing, and then share your links in the blog post or in the content that you feel like. And then you can also share on Twitter, on Instagram, LinkedIn, and so other different platforms where you can reach a large audience and invite more friends. Why? Because with the task bonus, you are going to earn 40% of what your friends will be getting. You understand? That is the first standard, the first way, direct way of how you're going to earn this commission. That is task bonus and commissions. Invite your friends, click on them, then your commission will be here. It will show on this tab here. The one you see here, this is where your money is going to reflect. This is where your money is going to reflect. As I said, there are only 4 ways. The first one is tax bonus and commission. The second one is direct commission, underlying commission, and then rebate amount. But I want to show you the one I'm talking about today is about task bonus and commissions. Only sharing here on your first day after you download this application, you'll get them here, right? After you finish sharing, your amount will reflect on this button here, on this here. Mine is 168. Don't worry, yours will be active here, it will be active here, and then you'll start making money just like that, right? Now let me take you to the second step, that is direct commission, right? This direct commission, and this one will lead us to go to the app and also see what are these direct commission. Every Moshop user can earn direct commissions when they purchase products from Moshop. Each product has a different commission percentage ranging from 5 to 30%. That is the second way. Now we are talking about direct commission. By only buying and purchasing products, the products might be yours or your friends after you have shared our products. After you share our products, then your friends will want to buy. So you'll do the purchase through the application, through your account, and then you'll get this direct commission. You understand? Now this direct commission also will earn you some money. You understand? After you buy from this application. Now let me show you the direct commission, how it comes. Now take for example, if we want to buy this, let me choose another one, like this beautiful dress. Hey, this lady looks beautiful. Anyway, do you love this video? Then subscribe, right? Now if you want to buy this, you can check the application itself. It will explain to you, earn commission, purchase this product and earn a direct commission of 20%. Now if you buy this, you are going to buy and get a 20%. All right, you're going to get 20% from this. Minimum commission of 339 shillings. That is the 20% that we are talking about if you buy this. All right, are you there? Okay, now let me show you now the next part of underlying commission. Now here is now where the beautiful now comes in. Here is what becomes more beautiful. You understand? When now we are talking about underlying commission. Mine is 105. How did I get it? Now listen. When you do the promotion task, if the products are sold in your channel, you understand, the commission will be counted as an underlying commission, which will reflect in your wallet immediately. Following the 3-tier referral commission structure, the more you promote, the more earnings you'll be getting. Now listen here. Remember, I told you in the first place, make sure you share with your friends and you will invite them through your links. Now, when you click on this button above here, let me show you my list. You see this button here? I've clicked there. This one here, this one here. Now, these are my friends whom I shared with, and they have registered under me. Now, whatever they will be selling, whatever task they will be doing from all this, you understand? From all this, I'll be getting some commission. Now, this commission, it ranges from one product to the other. You understand? Now, it depends with which product they do. So, first of all, myself, I'm earning direct commission after I do my own sales. The second part is after underlying commission, that is, I'll be earning from them. Why? Because they will be selling and I will be getting some percentage from these guys. Now, I have tier 1. Tier 1 are my friends whom I invited myself. Then my friends too, let me show you. Then my friends also invited another person. Now that's tier 2. Now those friends of my friends, when they invite, they will be tier 3. You get it? You get it? Thank you. I have 53 invited. Thank you. Now you're getting. Now make sure before you go to underlying commission, before you start getting rebate amount and direct commissions and so forth, make sure you guys, you join Moshop VIP. Underlying commission, rebate amount, you need to join VIP. When you do the promotion task, make sure these guys, they have to promote themselves to VIP. I've done a video about how to join VIP on this channel, so make sure you watch that video too and see how there are two only methods of direct promotion to VIP or cash amount, and immediately you'll be on the VIP. We're about to finish, just a moment. Stretch yourself, we're just about to finish now. Upon rebate amount, we are talking about rebate amount. Upon upgrading to VIP, users have a one chance of purchasing rebate products as provided in the rebate products list. Now, 70% of the purchase amount will be returned to the VIPs in 3 installments. Now let me show you the rebate amount. There are at least around 5 items. They will be chosen randomly from your products, and then this is where you get the rebate amount, the rebate products. As you can see, VIP has one chance to purchase a rebate product as below. Once a purchase, 70% of the purchase amount will be returned to your wallet in 3 installments. Now, the first product today in our rebate products is Premium Week. It goes at 1,199. Then we have digital printing outdoor running earphones at 500 shillings. There are several. As you can see, I'm scrolling around with this one here, 2,999. It's a sports smartwatch. These are all for rebate products. Okay, if you purchase this, part of this amount will be given back to you. Now, I don't want to go into details so much about it, about how it's calculated. What you have to do, invite your friends to join. As you can see the icons down here, they are there for them to join your VIP. Let me show you in the next video, in each step what I take, each step what I do, and how I work on my VIP, and how I've gained all this amount just in a few seconds. See you in the next video. My name is Arnest, and consider subscribing. If you subscribe, you'll be updated on each and every time I upload a new video. I love you guys. See you in the next video.